My first day of work was nerve-wracking. I was excited, I was nervous, I was worried, a whole bunch of feelings, but I was more excited that I took the leap to actually start working. So even though I was kind of nervous, I still went ahead and did it. I did miss the kids, but in my mind, they started school, so they were at school when I just started. So I was like, okay, they're in school, they won't miss me that much. It's more so when they come home. Once they come home, I would have like my lunch break sometimes, and I'll come home and just basically my lunch break is their dinner time. So I just have dinner with them during that time. But what I can tell you, like my first month was eye opening. I had to control myself and remind myself that we don't need to overshare and we don't have to talk to everybody. But I feel like I'm a bit more like the first day I was more reserved, give it about a week or two, and I was more outgoing. But I think I have the oversharing under control. I don't know what it is about when you come from a stay-at-home mom to a working mom, and then you end up around people. You're like, yeah, 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 and I have to, you know. But yeah, so it wasn't a bad experience. It's just I have the reading people and not oversharing, being more comfortable with uh leaving the kids, especially when they have school, things like that. And I think I had mentioned before, one of the things that keep me motivated too is getting that paycheck. So it's not too bad. Not too bad. I don't regret it right now. I don't regret it. It's just that sometimes I wish that my hours were different. That's the only thing. But otherwise, from that, if you're going to do it, go ahead. You get used to it after a while. And there were some changes, but mostly to my body. Mostly to my body, but otherwise from that, you can get used to it. But once you have a goal and a plan, like I have, then I continue with it. I'm not going to give up on myself. Give up on myself just like that. Don't mind my lip. It's still numb from a dentist appointment.